name is Daniel Grosen. I'm the creator of PI architecture, and well, the year is coming to a close, 2011, and for me it has been a really an interesting year. I've done a lot of great things, but when we're getting to a new year, we often get to think about what kind of skills and what kind of things need to make us get into the next year. So I just wanted to reflect on some of this. I also did something like the same survey of results at TechEd, where I was talking about what kind of skills you needed as a developer, and one of the feedback I was getting should be more concrete. What specific areas do you really need to be good at? So that's what I would like to share with you here. And then also I'm not the only one that has anything to say in this perspective, so I also wanted your input on this. What do you think about it? So I've created a survey, but more about that later. So the first thing I find that you need to do, have kind of skills, is the ability to communicate. Well, we all work with integration, and communication is something we do. The challenge is we don't do it with people, we more do it with systems. But I think whenever you're doing anything in a project and getting some assignments, the communication is really key for this. So that's what I wanted to share with you and say, well, communication is really important in this perspective. So I encourage you to take a look at becoming better communicators. That's definitely what I'll be working on, so that'll help in my projects. I think another key skill, at least when we see 2012 and 731 with the Java only, that a lot of things need to happen. First off, we need to be much better at using the Java only communication, using the integrated configuration objects, and make sure we know how those work, what are the limitation of the adapters and other things that we're using in that perspective. So I think that's going to be one of the challenges in this coming year. How can we use this, and what does it look like when we work with it? So definitely figure out how you can use it. Just from 7.1, I think, where we had the ability to do the Java only and the Java communication only, and then all the way that it's expanding the options you have in those. So I think that the other one, that skill I find really interesting, is the BPM. We're not doing as many BPMs, well, both of processes, because it's difficult to communicate what it is that they do and why are they important. So I found that that is some key skill that you need to be able to do. And when we're talking with 731, we have to learn the BPM and notation and be better at that. Hopefully that will also make the communication easier with the business, and that's the area I say, well, we can do better at that, both in current releases, because there's a lot of things that you can do in it, and I think there's been a lot of fear if they have really been successful or useful. So that was my key skills that I found. So I've created a survey, just follow the link below, and hopefully you'll take the time to fill in this survey and then help me out. I'll share we'll draw two lucky winners from the participants in the survey that will get access to the products that I'm hoping to create in 2012. My goal for 2012, besides all the consulting and development work, is to create some kind of information product that will help you get more into what you can do as a developer with PI. So help me out, and I'll also be sharing these results so we can get some kind of information about what we all need to do become better at. So thanks for this, and I'm looking forward to see you in next year or in the Christmas message that I hopefully will be able to create. So until then, goodbye.